In this video, Steve puts 6S lipos in his Rustler and drives it FPV. And I play with my Kraton. Oh! Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Without bashing, we got the Stevens in the house, we got more people in the house. Box standard gearing, box standard diff oils. Yeah, that centre diff, it's really weak. Oh my god, yeah, I definitely need the centre diff stiffening up. Hey Stephen! What have you done to your Rustler?
I've made it fall over.
Yeah, what have you put in it?
6S.
Oh, how fast do you reckon it's going to go?
Might be 60 miles an hour.
60?
Be a bit conservative.
What, on grass? What do you reckon?
45.
I reckon 40 mile an hour. Steve always overestimates. Yeah, can the Kraton tree backflip? Oh, he's getting there. Oh, yes. Oh, Stephen's got more toys. Oh, Stevie D's got an FPV system. Oh, so we've got the Rustler here on 4S at the minute, but we're going to go 6. Oh, what happened?
It tripped over nothing.
Oh, so it's falling off.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, it's got a little crack. It's pulled the screw out, but yeah, that'll be alright.
It doesn't use the front anyway.
Guys, check out the new bash sack. Courtesy of Stephen. Stephen's got the camo one, I've got the black one, but I literally get everything in here. All my drone, my cameras, RCs, spares, tools. What would you rate this sack out of 10?
11.
Also, bought some FPV gear along. Little camera in there. I might make a little build video of this. There's not really that much in it really. Just a camera, inside some trunking, battery, Velcro. You just, bloop. There's the view. Hold him up, Stephen. You want to stick it on your car and give it a go?
Yeah, I will do, yeah.
Oh, he's got FPV going on over here as well. Ah! Can you... wanted to give it a speed run, but I think it's broken, or the satellites are broken, one of the two. Took the battery out, put it back in, we're getting signal. How fast do you reckon the Kraton's going to go on the grass? I'm going to go with 40. Going to try something different today as well. Got a new microphone, so I'm going to plug that on there now. And you guys let me know if you prefer the phone audio or this audio. Alright, so this is now with the Rode microphone. I'm going to leave it on there for, I don't know, all day. I'll do a little bit of footage, see what it sounds like, and then if it's better, we might do like that all the time. Oh! 0 mile an hour.
It definitely looks faster than that. Right, should work now. May just be the signal then.
Guys, we're going to give up with the GPS, look. I think the satellites are broken up there. Stephen's GPS is also not working, so it probably is, yeah.
6S, baby.
Oh guys, I messed up with that microphone. It's a shotgun mic, meaning that it picks up most of the audio from the front, and from the back it kind of cuts out the audio. So when I'm talking to it, I've got this face in the car, I'm chatting to it, everything sounds muffled. Everyone in front of it, it sounds great. Also, you have to put the phone into airplane mode. If you don't, the microphone picks up all the phone reception noises. And I forgot to put it into airplane mode, so I ruined quite a lot of audio on this video. Sorry. So in future, I'll probably just put this on if it's really, really windy. We can't GPS it, but we'll do it another day. But we can see how fast it looks. What's going to happen, Stephen?
I think it'll wheelie a little bit.
Will it fall over?
It might. A lot.
Flat out, Stephen! Faster! 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 Oh! Oh! Stevens on FPV. Speed run.
That was amazing fun.
Faster, faster, faster. Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. What's it like driving it now?
Oh, it's weird. Oh, I hit full throttle. Woohoo!
Oh, he's on the back, he's on the back. Oh, and he's...
Oh, this is actually wicked.
What did you see? Alright, so we're doing a speed run. The first person to make it over that line there wins.
2, 1, go!
Oh, I'm wheeling. Here we go. Oh! I win! Oh! Stephen's lost a tyre.
You see my tyre? One
Yeah,
tyre
I
was
think
like,
it came
ah!
off. Oh, it didn't work. We have a winner. He wants a rematch. Oh, look at that wheelie across the whole field.
Oh,
What was that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's it. Wipe me out. Oh, Stephen wins. Stephen's got the win.
Finish it! No! I've got a wobbly wheel.
Oh, he bent it.
You know?
Alright, that's it for this video, guys. We're going to hit the skate park in the next video with Armour Creighton. And then I've also bought a couple of the cheapo WL toys. We've done a little bit more FPV. And yeah, we broke stuff. So that's going to be the next future video. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe so you don't miss the future videos. Hit the bell button so notified. Actually, smash the bell button. You know what you got to do. See you soon. Bye.